my report stuff. She's trying to fight because she's trying to keep her job. She's fighting for her job.
Let's go. Let's go outside.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's me again. Let's go.
God.
You're getting CT'd. I'm not dealing with
what?
criminally trespass. They want you criminally trespass. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not playing this game today. Let's go.
You called a sorry ass off. They called a sorry ass off.
We're going outside. We're giving you criminally trespass.
I'm not signing shit. You can't even arrest us from the 15th.
I'm CTing you from this property. If you come back, you are under arrest, okay? Oh, God, dude. Is that her mom?
Yeah, that's her.
Ma'am, will you come with me to your car? Or come with me to my vehicle if she's not going to take this? Stop before you get locked up for disorderly conduct.
I'm trying to show her evidence she doesn't want to see it.
She's not dealing with it.
So I'm not to leave. Why can't I leave?
If you keep, like I told you, the police department, if you do this,
I'm at the exit.
I will take you to jail for disorderly conduct. Ma'am, will you walk with me, please?
Sure.
I'm going to give you
No. She's not arrested.
Hey,
what is she walking with you for?
I'm not dealing with
Why don't
this.
you just leave me alone? Let me leave. We got our groceries. Let me leave. I was trying to show your major the video of the nigga beating my ass. And he said it was too loud, wasn't it?
Marina.
There's a warrant for that case.
And it's not being solved.
Marina.
You didn't even know about it until I went in
there. We
there.
can't just magically arrest people.
Can I leave? You're not going to get my shit.
Marina, calm down.
Come on, let's go.
Marina, calm down.
Why are you trying to... Why are you on their side?
I'm just telling you.
Why are you on their side?
I'm not on anybody's
Oh, well,
side. Calm down.
Can you... What?
Down.
You don't want to see the
Marina,
evidence
I'm not
of-
playing this game today.
Can I explain what happened?
Step outside. I'm not playing this game
I
today.
thought you were just trying to fight me. What?
Let's go outside.
Oh, sorry, that's hers. I'm so...
ID.
Yeah, watch the out.
Marina. Stop.
You're about to be placed under
Marina.
arrest for disorderly
I'm
conduct.
leaving.
Marina, we're
Go.
going out.
Get my mama. My mama said
Go.
me home.
Going out.
Go.
Come on, let's go, mom.
Not playing this game
Let's
today.
go, mom. Let's go.
Not playing this game today,
No,
Marina.
we came from this way, didn't we?
We're going out to my vehicle.
No, we're not.
Marina.
Can you tell him to leave me alone?
What does she do?
I'm leaving. What the f?
Our associates, apparently they knew each other outside of Walmart, and they have been talking to each other outside of Walmart. She came in here, our associate was over there, she was over there, she came to our associate told her to leave, and that if we wanted to cause trouble to go outside, because she didn't want to do it inside the workplace.
Okay.
We separated them. She had some returns that she was trying to exchange. We tried to exchange some, but you have to have like the exact item to exchange them. And they didn't bring in the exact item, so we're trying to...
They didn't have the stuff in inventory and would not let me replace my little sliced mushrooms from whole.
Let's go.
So what information are you getting? What is this report going to say?
But you're acting disorderly in the store. So
That's
we
all you're
either
not
leave
putting?
and I criminally trespass you, like the police department. What do you do?
Oh my God.
Ma'am, I'm telling you, if she keeps doing this at certain places, she's going to
Bro,
go to jail.
why is you talking to my mother? Come on,
Because
Mom.
I can't. She's being
No.
cordial with you.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going home. You want me to walk home again?
Let's go.
Do you want me to walk home again? Come on, let's go then. Can you please, Mom? Please, come on, let's go. Why is she following? She's not associate. She's not a
gonna
manager.
call. Go.
Who called her?
Go.
Who called?
Go.
You're not giving no
You don't have to. Good, Sam. It's going to be regular. He's walking out of the store now. I'm with him, Mom. Trying to issue criminal trespass. Okay, you're not leaving until I give a criminal trespass
No.
or your mom. So it's going to happen.
Why?
Marina. Because we're
If you keep raising your voice
Bro,
in
get
a
away
public
from me,
setting,
Marina.
I will arrest you. I'm
Public
not
setting.
playing this game.
I'm leaving. Leave me alone. You banned me from the police department. I got a warrant from the 15th. You can't even talk because you didn't know shit about it. So I came in there. So
Marina.
Turn around.
no.
Stop.
Where's your
Turn
manager?
around. Put your hands behind
Get
your
away
back.
from me.
Stop.
Get away from me.
Got one resisting. Turn
Are you
around. Put your hands behind
serious?
your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. I'm not playing this game.
Ow, shit.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Where is your manager? Are you serious?
Stop. Stop.
No.
Stop.
Yo.
Stop.
Okay, let me get my
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Whoa.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me get my mama shit.
Stop.
Yo, my ass is so...
Stop.
Yo, it's
Stop
hot as
resisting.
shit. This background is hot as shit. Yo, hold on. Let me
Turn
get my
around.
mama shit.
Put your hands behind your back.
Calm down.
Yo, this
Calm down.
pavement is hot as...
Hey, from one resist.
Calm
Stop.
I'm in a dress. What the f*** is my vagina be out? Shit. I'm like, back up. Can I get my shoe?
62, one in custody.
Are you
Step
Can I get
up.
my shoe?
1632.
Step
You've been
up.
waiting to do this shit, huh?
Step up.
You've been waiting to do this shit.
Step up.
Arrest TK.
Step up.
Arrest TK. I'm getting up.
Step up.
Give me a second, please. Yeah, let me get my shoe.
Come over here.
Crazy as f***.
Gave you multiple warnings.
I was leaving.
Can't be acting disorderly in front of a
I
public
was
setting.
leaving
Let's
the
go.
Walmart.
Stop.
Who's gonna come? Clifton?
Stop.
Who's gonna come?
Marina.
Scylla?
Marina.
Foreman?
62, need a
Are you?
transport.
I'm leaving the Walmart. He's trying to chase me out of here.
Marina.
Stop.
They asked us to leave.
Multiple times.
When did they ask to leave?
They told us to leave.
When you was at the checkout? When y'all went in the back for 10 minutes? And I'm trying to get my return done so I can leave?
Marina.
Is that what you're saying, miss?
Marina. Calm down.
Manager?
Step over here.
Marina, calm down. Calm down.
Yo, hey, you're hurting me, please.
Stop pulling. If you'd stop, it wouldn't hurt.
Bro, you know I'm not gonna run away. Can you please let
You
me
just
stand
tried
in the
to
corner?
fight me. Really?
I did not. You just tackle me to the ground.
Because you wouldn't stop and go in handcuffs.
Kilo 2 to 160.
Can you
Code
stop
10.
grabbing me?
Shambly called about that missing juvenile in the area. It's avoiding no child.
I just need you over here screaming.
Can I
You can put it
stand in
back
the
of car.
corner?
You can stand right here by my
All
car.
right, can you please let me go?
No, you're under arrest.
So they're gonna just stand there and look. Can they go in? Can they go in? They gotta watch this shit?
Huh?
They have to watch it?
Watch what?
You doing this shit?
It's all right here.
Okay, what about them? Go inside, right?
No, they're the
Oh,
ones
they
who
can do
called.
it. They can do it, yeah.
They're the ones who called.
All
Stop.
right, I'm not running. That shit hurts.
Stop pulling away.
Tobias 6 has never felt this pain. Because you ain't never caught his ass. And then I get her. Yeah. This is Sanders. This is the Sanders, yep. So can I explain the situation, please?
No.
You don't even want to hear it?
Are you?
Mama, pull out your phone.
I'm not gonna
pull out
talk.
your
I'm not
phone,
gonna talk
nigga.
to you until you act like a cordial adult.
Then get off of me so I can
No,
talk to
you're
you.
under arrest.
So I'm trying to look at you and talk to you, and you're
can
not.
talk.
I can't.
You can talk and not yell. Look
Mom,
how your
where's
mom's
the phone?
talking.
She had come in
To
tell
report.
the complaint to the manager.
To report 3 associates, and they weren't trying to hear anything. Can you please loosen it a little bit?
No.
You've been waiting to do it. That's why.
Marina, I'm trying
He's
to
been
tell
wanting
him
to
what
arrest me for.
I'm trying to tell him what happened.
No, show him the phone.
I'm trying to
Show him the photo evidence that I was trying to show the managers. Please.
be quiet for 2 seconds.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
mother,
she tried to explain to the managers that a couple of their associates, they were in a group chat, and what they did is they were telling my daughter to take.
So overdose, jump off a cliff, and on the way down to kill my mother,
They
and
were
this and that.
making fun of her clothing.
Calling one of your associates precious.
Can your mom talk, please? She's actually talking. Not
But I'm
speaking.
the one that I came in. You don't want to hear my story, but you want to arrest me?
I'm trying to tell him. I'm trying to tell him
Okay.
what you came in here for.
Anything you do or say
So-
will be used
so
against you in
they-
a court of law.
Marina,
Right? Oh my God, my toe. You chipped my toe, you dick
Marina?
face. Just got these done.
keep quiet for 5 minutes.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Talk, representative.
You done?
Yeah, go ahead.
Anyway, so
This is great. Okay, can you
So they
stop?
said some-
Now I'm in cuffs already.
so
I'm not letting you go.
You think I'm gonna run?
You don't know how this works. You just tried to fight me. Will you
I did
please
not
listen?
trying to fight you. You just had put me on hot concrete with my ass out.
Marina, stop.
You thought that was okay?
Marina, do you want me to tell him what
Bro,
you
what
came
the?
in for?
I just saw Clifton at Chick-fil-A and he's acting like we all cool. No, you kicked me out too. Where's Foreman?
I'm just to the left of my car by the LP entrance.
Is Foreman Arcilla on duty tonight?
You won't be able to talk to him anyways. You're gonna be in jail.
I'm gonna be in jail for what?
Disorderly conduct
Disorderly conduct.
and obstruction.
And I was trying to leave the exit
Disorderly conduct and obstruction.
when I was trying to find where my mama parked and leave.
Disorderly conduct and obstruction.
But you're not trying to hear my. Oh.
Let's go.
No. I need to speak to the officer,
No,
please.
we're going in the back of this car. Let's
Is my
go.
mother coming with me?
No, she's not going to jail. She didn't do anything wrong.
Are you
Let's
coming to
go.
the police station? No.
Stop.
What station are we going?
You're going to the DeKalb County Jail.
The county.
Let's go.
Show me out where
I'll give your mom all the information. Let's go.
Boy Drive in North Charlotte.
Excuse me, Matt. Please explain my book.
Will you search her really good, Gwen?
Yes, okay.
Stop.
I'm literally taking this stuff out my pockets. I can't fight you with nothing. What the heck?
have more stuff in your
Yes,
pocket.
yes.
We'll
ma'am.
give it all
Can
to
you
you,
come
man.
here?
Just hang tight right over there. I'll give everything to
Hey,
you.
can I give this to my mother?
I will give everything to her.
Why are you acting like that?
Why are you acting like this?
You don't even know me, lady.
I don't know you, but I'm asking you a very simple
I'm trying
question.
to go in my pockets, mama, and give my mother my things.
And what did he just say?
But I'm saying he just threw me on the ground and said I tried to fight him.
Well, I don't know that.
No, you don't. You
Tried
don't.
to pull away from me. That is
And
resisting
You
arrest.
pulled me on the hot concrete with
Hold on,
my
hold on.
dress up.
Speak to me. Don't talk.
I'm
to
sorry.
him, okay?
Excuse me.
All right.
All right. Hey, can I hold my things?
Here, let me give him
Okay,
to your mom.
here.
Let me give him to your mom.
Okay. Can I explain to you the situation?
In a second.
Can you tell him to stop? Can you hold me?
Sure.
Please.
No problem.
Do you not like grasp it, please? I'm not used to handcuffs.
Hold on a second. I gotta do it.
Can I sit?
Hold on. Hold
There's
on.
nothing else in my dress, my love. Here.
Hold on. Let me do my procedure.
No, yeah.
Okay, take a deep breath and let me do my procedure, okay? I got steps I gotta go through. All
How are we
right.
gonna afford this bond? We just returned groceries to have money.
Face the car for me real quick.
This is why I'm trying to leave your house.
This is why you're trying to leave.
I'm
my
trying
house.
to ask you where the car is. I'm talking to my mother, bro.
But you're being accusatory to her. Just
Do you even know my...
stop.
Let's talk to me, okay? What I need you to do is I need you to look at the
No,
flag.
no. Don't kick me. No. Don't put me in the car. Hold on. Let me talk. Let me talk. So what were you saying, miss?
I need you to look at the flag real quick so I can check if you got anything on you.
Okay, yeah.
That's simple. Separate your feet for me.
Please don't be
Sorry,
taking my ass like you did. Like that was like...
Starting mileage 86892.
Pick it up. Pick that little paper up. That's what their names.
1639.
Mama, behind you.
Hold on. Let me finish.
Yeah, please.
Let me finish.
It's underneath your left foot.
I'm on a warrant for an arrest. I'm the victim of a domestic case. He banned me from the police department and didn't even know about the warrant.
Okay. Well, let's sit in here and let's talk.
Mama, is that the paper?
Mom's
Why is she still here? What the
The paper here.
little bitch go inside?
Marina.
Okay, hold on, please. Give me 1 second.
I'll get all your information in just a second. Alright, so where were we?
So apparently her and some of our associates had a group chat or something.
Okay.
They were, we didn't see it 'cause that's outside of Walmart, so we're not supposed to. But she kept trying to make us do something for that reason. But we told them we can do something about the stuff that happens in Walmart, but outside of Walmart we have no power over, and we can't do anything for.
Okay.
But they didn't want to hear that.
Alright.
And then when we were trying to do the exchange, we had to get, the same items for the same items. They were bringing different items, so we would tell them, like, hey, like, we can't do this, and she would just go off on everybody and anybody that was around.
Shit, bro. She's just standing out there. Y'all, that's an associate. She's not even a manager.
I don't know the situation. I just rolled up here. Okay, so don't yell at me about that kind of
Mom.
stuff. Okay.
Mom, don't talk to him. Don't talk to him.
Spell last name again.
P-U-P.
Are you... Oh, my God. I'm not going to hit you. Please just don't...
But I'm sorry it got to this point. But when you start acting this early, I give you a warning to leave, and you don't leave, and you come back and start screaming, acting like that in the public setting like that in front of all these people. They feel like she's going to try to fight. I can see that demeanor from her. I have disorderly conduct all day long, and then I tell her I try to place her under arrest, and she starts pulling away. She's obstruction.
Stop talking. No. Mom. Mama. You talked to him. What'd you tell him? You told him my full name?
I was telling the managers and stuff what you were trying. No, he asked me mine.
What'd the manager say?
We're not gonna yell.
What'd the manager say?
I told them about the nasty things.
What
that-
they said, because they said that
They said that we have to call the 800 number because they can't take care of this. That's why we have this number. I have the number.
but they stood in the...
And I told them what vicious, nasty, awful things the associate said
Did
to
you
you.
show them the screenshots?
They wouldn't look at that because it has to go to the corporate
Did you show
level.
Sanders?
They would not look at it.
Sanders, the officer right there.
Marina, they won't look at it right now.
Can you get the police up? Excuse
Marina.
me, miss?
Marina.
I'm listening, but stop yelling. Lower your voice.
So you're not allowed to look at text?
That is between corporate and you as a civil
I came
matter.
into the
Okay?
police department when Sanders.
Right. Was it Sanders? Was it Steele? Was it Foreman? Who was it?
Oh no, Sheila and Foreman are the only decent officers in your whole department, and Herbert's and Mossman to an extent.
Foreman's been actually really cool with her.
Okay.
He's been listening to her because we're also kind of upset that that guy that beat her up hasn't been arrested.
Sanders didn't even know about the warrant,
He was
miss.
literally at Nottingham.
Oh my God, I'm bleeding. Excuse me. Hey, I'm bleeding. Look, open the door real quick. Look, I'm bleeding. I'm serious.
What
There's
happened?
blood right there.
What happened?
I don't know. He tackled me on the ground in the cement. Can you open the car, please, so I can show you?
She goes over to the gas station and she's walking down the street, whatever. She's afraid because this guy might be around.
Look at my leg. Look at it.
That happened on the
31.
15th
Check AMR, please.
of August, and I don't know what's going on.
Yeah,
with that. But she's really frustrated about that as well. So am I.
Okay.
Because she was beat up.
Hold on.
She's gonna give you a.
No, I'm trying to tell her about the first
Hold
time
on, but I can't listen to two people at once. I have an ambulance coming for your band.
I'm
You
the
need.
one in the police car, so you can please listen to me
But
first.
if I can't understand what your mom's saying, I'm not going to understand what you're saying.
You're not gonna understand what my mom said because my mom wasn't there. I'm trying to get out of my mother's house. We were turning groceries. My groceries.
Hold on, I got to go get at my sergeant's saying
Can
something.
I get a Band-Aid first?
Yes, CT form all mine are old.
Yeah, I did.
Hate me.
I don't.
You hate me. You hate me? I'm getting out. I will never trust you. Sit in here and rot. You want me to sit here and rot? Was this the plan?
Excuse me, I didn't put you in here.
All right, bet.
You know what?
I think it's better that we walk away from that.
Mom. Mom.
You said you're trying to get away from me, right?
Are you gonna bail me out?
What's the mental history on this?
I CT'd her from headquarters the other day because she was doing the same thing.
Okay.
She says she's, long story short, she got assaulted by somebody the other day. Nothing else, her ex-boyfriend or something. There's a warrant out for his arrest, and she just keeps complaining that we haven't arrested him yet, which we just can't magically make people go handcuffs. She came to headquarters, cussing, screaming, all this stuff.
You don't love me anymore.
I do love you.
No, you don't. You wouldn't be talking to him.
Why do you think I don't
If you
love
love me, you wouldn't be talking to him.
If
That's
I
the
didn't-
man that banned me from the police
I
department.
didn't love you, I wouldn't be standing here talking to you now.
Are you gonna bail me out today? That's love.
Marina, I don't even...
Can you? Oh my God! I can't even scratch my eyeball.
She wants some band-aids. Some band-aids.
That's not going to be big enough.
How big is it?
That's a Band-Aid.
Yeah, you need something bigger.
I'm sorry.
You said you need something bigger for your cut.
No. Please, can I just have the
Is
Band-Aid?
this fine? Like
Yeah,
this
can you
size?
give all three to my mom if that's okay?
I'm gonna let you deal with this. 'Cause I
There's
can't-
no
Thank
contraband
you
in
very
there.
much.
Here, can she open the car?
Sealed bandages.
No, she can't open the car.
No, not her. You.
I'm working on it. Hold on, I got gloves on. It's going to take me a second to get these open.
Can my mom put my Band-Aid on?
No,
Why?
you're in custody. You're lucky that I'm letting you talk to your mom. That's against policy. Okay?
Where is your superior?
Right there.
Where's the other one? Because he's just a sergeant. He's not a lieutenant or a major.
They're not on duty right now.
Where are they? When do they come in on duty?
Next week, if you want to file a formal complaint, you're welcome
When
to do
is
that.
Foreman coming in?
Later tonight.
So this is what your officer just done. So, can I get, no. Can I get a wet thing to wipe it off? Oh, Mom, can you get it? Oh, she can't touch me. That's fucking ridiculous. Because I just came from an assault. I just assaulted somebody. That is really bothering me. Can you please just put that down? Gonna stick off. No. Like just rub it. God, she's trying to figure it out. No, the other side. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to press down. Sorry I didn't explain that. Do you want me? No, I can't. Oh, Mom, I was just gonna say, do y'all want me to clean the blood off your foot?
Don't worry about me.
Yo, I know. I know.
I don't-
can't get these fucking cups off.
If he comes back, call us.
We will. Thank you.
Thank you.